Okay, Maliq, can you read this one?
Beat.
Very good, bit. Okay, so you can move two boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, next, you can read this one.
The big red beat team.
Good. The big red beat team. Okay, another two boxes for you. 1, 2. Good job. Okay, next, read.
Team got
Huh?
mad.
Team got mad. Again?
Team got mad.
Oh, very good. Team got mad. Okay, another two boxes for you. 1, 2. So next, you can read this one.
The big red 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 beat him.
Okay, good job. The big rat beat him. Okay, another two boxes for you. 1, 2. Very good. Okay, next, you can read this one.
Team hit the big red.
Team hit the big rat. Okay. Wow, so you have crossed the finish line. Very good. So you can ask Papa to get 2 rings.